In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize pages in OneNote. If your notes are starting to feel a little crowded or out of order, OneNote makes it very easy to rearrange your pages so everything stays neat and easy to find. This is especially helpful if you use OneNote for school, projects, or personal planning and want your notebook to follow a more logical structure. To begin, open your notebook in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure you're inside the notebook where you want to organize your pages. Once the notebook is open, take a moment to look at the list of pages in the section you're working in. This is where you'll be making the change. Next, find the page tab for the note you want to move. Click and hold that page tab. As you hold it, OneNote lets you drag the page so you can reposition it within the list. This is a simple click and drag action, but it's important to move slowly enough that you can clearly see where the page is going to land. If you move too quickly, it can be easy to drop it in the wrong place. While still holding the page, drag it up or down through your page list until you reach your preferred location. You'll usually see a visual cue showing where the page will be placed. Once the page is lined up where you want it, release your mouse to drop it into position. That's it. Your page is now reorganized within the section. This method is useful when you want to group similar notes together, put topics in chronological order, or keep important pages near the top for quicker access. A good tip is to organize your pages in a way that matches how you naturally look for information. For example, you might keep meeting notes by date, class notes by topic, or task-related notes in order of priority. If you're cleaning up a busy notebook, you can repeat the same process for any other pages that need to be moved. Small adjustments like this can make a big difference in how fast you can navigate your notes later. OneNote's drag and drop organization is designed to be quick and intuitive, so once you do it once or twice, it becomes a very natural part of managing your notebook. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to organize pages in OneNote.